Hey guys, how are you all? In this video I'm going to show you that how can you create a meeting link on your Zoom application or on your Zoom website on Google Chrome. How can you perform this action? So for this you just need to go on your Google Chrome here on your phone, and when you will open your Google Chrome you just have to go on the website and the search option here and type for the Zoom, search for the Zoom meeting here, click on this. I think you have to install Zoom application to perform the step better, but if you wanna do it on your website you can just click on the host option here on the Zoom application or Zoom website. You can see this is my account here, and I will click on the continue option in my Zoom. I will enter my name of my organization, my address, my occupation, and then I have to continue this, and then you can set up a link and you can share that link, that meeting link, to anyone you want to join. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.